This will be number 2. Okay, hang on. We already set that one down. Now we want to look at the next one. This one goes with those pants and.
No, that's for.
Yeah. Oh, this one goes this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another little outfit, and then this one here. I know. I got this one because it's warm, and I know the warmth is off. And then some socks. Okay. Now, let's do.
That one.
Oh, you want to play your socks? You like the socks? I'm going to move these over here.
Oh my God, mommy.
Nike, here. Get this one. Ready? Right there. Go. Give it. Give it a tug. If they see your socks. Yay! Yay! Whoa! Help her out. Let her grab it. Oh, yay, Nike. Get this one. Get this one. Atta girl. Atta girl. Woo! Let's get this side over here. Get that side right there. Get this one, Nike. Get this one. Woo! What's that? What is that? What you got there, champ? Mama's gonna have to use her good lungs to blow that. Yeah, it's a chair. A little princess chair for Nike. My little sweetheart, ain't you? Okay, let's set this one right here. Daddy home? Who's home?
Daddy, you. She's in your car.
Daddy home?
Yeah, she's in your car.
Daddy home right there? Yeah, yay. Give that kiss. Give it. Mwah. Thank you. Okay, Nike, here. Let's get this one. Do this one. Nike. Here. Pull here. Get that one. Rawr, rawr. Oh my goodness, what's that? What is that? What is that? Aha! Yeah! Woo! And Daddy actually got you another tablet, but we tried to buy one at the store that didn't have it, so we ordered it online.
No.
Oh, you didn't wrap the egg stuff, did you?
Yeah.
That's just for Easter, Dingleberry. Okay, let's do this one now, girls. Nike, okay, there you go. Get it, get it. Woo! Woo! Put it over here. Go ahead, Ange, you can help. I know you're feeling left out. You don't quite understand yet. Go ahead. Nike, here. Nike, here. Get it. Okay, let's pull this way. Woo! Yeah, we'll show it to you here in a sec. Let's get through the presents, then we'll open them and let you play.